Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just installing a front drive shaft on my Redcat Ground Pounder. It's real simple to do. I'm going to try to not have my big ass hands in your all's way. Take out the first drive pin, spin it around, take out the second drive pin, I got this here drive shaft from Redcat Racing because the one that I ordered was all messed up. Will this work? Pull that drive pin out, and the drive shaft slides right off. And of course, there's my needle nose pliers. Now, the front drive shaft, let's see if you can see this. Focus. Anyway, that ain't gonna focus. Alright, well, anyway, the part number is BS702-069GM. I'll show you what happened when I first ordered this. When I first ordered this drive shaft, it has a set screw that goes right into here. That was there. The pin screw right here that goes all the way through, you can see my finger on the other side, that was missing. So the drive shafts are basically useless. So I had to get a hold of Redcat and get a whole new drive shaft. So, and this is real simple to do. All you do is line up the holes. Put your drive pin in. And tighten up this screw all the way down. And to do the other side the exact same way. I will be putting blue Loctite on these, not on the pins, but on this little collar area right here, because that tends to vibrate loose. Anyway, take out that set screw. Well, loosen it up. Slide that in. Now this is where the needle nose pliers comes in handy. If it doesn't go in like it's supposed to, you can always grab this drive shaft on this side and push out. And it should just slide right in. There it goes. See how all that's just slid right in? And just take your screwdriver and screw it on down. And that's the same thing as the rear drive shaft. You don't need to see me do the rear drive shaft because the front and the rear is the exact same. Now just take your 2.0 hex driver and tighten up these set screws that's on the sides of the drive shaft. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Back this up a little bit. That's it. Now, what I am going to be doing later is putting in my Castle Creations motor and the metal gears that I have. I found out that you can use the, thanks to one of the watchers, that you can use the ECX gears as the mod 1s. So that's what I'm going to be using. Let's just make sure it's going to match up. Because I don't want to tell you all false information and this shit not work. Come to find out that the Mod 1 gears that people have been ordering are actually ECX gears. And yes, they're the exact same gears. Comes with a 3 and it comes with a 3mm bore. It's a 12-tooth pinion. See, 12-tooth pinion. And it also comes with a 9-tooth pinion. The 9-tooth will give you more torque. The 12-tooth will give you more speed. See, there's the there's the 9-tooth. I don't know why the hell this thing didn't focus like it should, but I gotta get a better camera. But anyway, I think I'd rather have more speed than torque. So that's what we're gonna do. We're going to go ahead and put those in. Not right now, though. That'll be another video. So, I hope you found this interesting. If not, watch something else. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. See ya.